At introduction to IP, you can just check the basics of IP. In case of IP management and technology transfer, we have shared the basics we can say about the IP management and the tech transfer, and we have shared a few we can say the experiences related to tech transfer. Then in the roadmap, yes, it is a complete solution I can say for your that patent related activities. So if you don't know anything about patent and if you want to file patent probably with this 8 weeks course, definitely you can go up to the provisional level filing. There is no doubt about that, because we have shared it in very much detail actually. Okay, and then the there is like entrepreneurship and IP strategy. If you are like entering into the entrepreneurial activity, then with that perspective we have shared the details about the that usage of IP for a entrepreneurial activity. And then we have also shared with you how government schemes are used available for the that entrepreneurial activity and all that.